Okay, so hi Sajid. First of all, I would
Hello.
like to thank you for taking out your precious time to give us your really valuable feedback. So maybe we can start with you. So first, I would like to ask you about your company and about you. So just wanted to know something about you.
Cool. Yeah. All right. So my name is Sajid Sayed. We are located in Massachusetts. We're a Massachusetts-based company. The organization that we have founded is called Let's Create. When we started this company was actually founded by some core Salesforce architects. So we had all worked in the past on Salesforce platform, and then eventually we thought that there is this good opportunity to do some non-profit work, right? And that's how we started our journey. And we created this group of let's create a Salesforce architect. We started non-profit work, and then eventually we went branch into for-profit work. So that's been our journey so far.
Yes, Sajid, it was great to hear about your journey and about you. So maybe now you can tell us how you find us. Where did you find us?
All right, so I think so one of the opportunities that we got to work on, right? So we were working on a Salesforce implement for a particular client, and they needed some help with Commerce Cloud. And like I said, we were very good with Salesforce. That comes very inherently to us. But like as Salesforce did these acquisitions, there are these technologies which are kind of Salesforce and not Salesforce as well, right? So you needed somebody like super specialist to help us with that. And on that journey, I looked on to find somebody who I can partner with to do that Commerce Cloud implementation. And that is where I found Cloud Analogy, right? And then that's where we got in touch with Suraj. And Suraj led us to Sumit and yourself, right? And then we started working on this engagement. So Jay, I cannot stress enough how valuable, how important it was finding you guys, because we had this huge opportunity, but we just couldn't go on that path without the support that we can get from Commerce Cloud. So you guys participated in that, so thank you so much for that.
Uh, Thank you so much, Sajid. I think Sumit also have some questions to ask. Please, Sumit, go ahead.
Yes.
Please.
Sajid, please let us know about work that you have done with us and your experience while working with us.
All right, so I think so. Like I said, the work that we did was, on the Commerce Cloud part of it. So we were working on Salesforce, and Commerce Cloud like integration. That's where you guys participated. But I think what I really enjoyed was like it was I felt like in this initiative, like we all are integrated, very well together. I think that was very important for us success. It couldn't look like, hey, let's create is something else, Cloud Analogy is something else. We needed a unified front. So I really appreciate that the partnership that you guys did. And honestly, there was some good times, there were some bad times, but what was important was we stuck together on the bad times, right? I never felt that Cloud Analogy is some different entity that I'm dealing with, right? It felt like, hey, I can trust these people. I know if I give them job, they can handle it independently. But at the same time, if there's a need to pull me in, you guys know what's the right time to pull me in. You will let me know, hey, it's important. I think the success of what we were trying to do was as important to me as important to you guys, right? So we were on the same page on that. So I really appreciate that. And of course, the skill sets on it that you bring to the table, right? So you being super specialist in that area, like we ran into some DevOps challenges that was not your expertise, but you were ready to stretch, go, learn, and pick up, right? So I think that was very, very valuable.
Yeah, thanks, Sajid. So, is there any area of improvement that you can suggest?
Uh, I don't. I think like all, these relationships are work in progress, right? So like when we always start, I don't know if that's an area for improvement, but I think every relationship is such, right? I think like to understand, hey, what's the rules of engagement, right? When can I reach out to Cloud Analogy? What is the proper escalation? I think for us it took that little time to establish what that rules of engagement were. So and once we knew what that was, we went on running, right? And I can see us partner in a lot more things that we do together, because I have immense faith in you guys.
Yeah, thanks.
Sure thing.
Thank you, Sajid. Thank you for letting us know your thoughts on the same. And last would be like, would you like to recommend us to others, like your friends, colleagues, or any other members?
Oh yeah, 100%. 100%. Like I said, I like, again, I think I would definitely friend my friends and colleagues and any other organization that's doing that to make sure that, Cloud and IRG is going to back you up.
Yes, Sajid. Like it was a great journey with you, and we are also looking for a long-term engagement within future. And thank you for your time and your valuable feedback. We really appreciate it. So yeah, like if you in future you would be needing any help from our end, so we would always be there to assist you.
Absolutely,
So
will
yeah,
do 100%.
thank you so much, Sajid.